Hello. Okay, so I haven't been on my YouTube in a while, but I thought I'd make a video. It'll get ready with me while I kind of talk about everything that's been going on in my life lately, just kind of giving the update. So as many of you know, I obviously do makeup, but I am not a certified makeup artist. I'm not a professional makeup artist, and a lot of people ask me to do their makeup, which I just get so uncomfortable. Like, I don't know how to do their makeup. I just get nervous, really. So whenever I start my makeup out, I always glue down my brows just because it makes it easier for me to work with them. So I'll do that and be right back. I've known that I've wanted to do makeup basically since middle school. And so when I was in high school, just nearly graduating, I kind of did some research about makeup schools and schools close to me, but there really was never any options. And the only options that there were was cosmetology school, but they really only focus on makeup, what I've heard, like one day out of the whole course. So cosmetology school was kind of out of the question for me just because I really care more about makeup than the hair aspect. So I did some research for online makeup schools, and I actually found Online Makeup Academy. So Online Makeup Academy is a completely online makeup school where they have several different courses and different makeup classes you can take. They offer bridal, editorial, SFX, like pretty much everything you could ever learn makeup-wise they offer. So currently I am enrolled in the Master Makeup Artist program on Online Makeup Academy and offers a little bit of everything. Okay, hi, this is Future Jada, and I am editing this video right now realizing I didn't talk much about what's actually included in the Master Makeup program, so I'm gonna include a little screen recording and show you what it actually looks like on my end. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I go on to the Master Makeup program in Online Makeup Academy. You can see there's all the modules. It shows you ahead of time what everything is. I actually really love that part. This is the one I'm currently on. It's face shapes, and it's a lecture. So basically I'll just watch, like, usually it's between like 10 to 30 minutes on that particular subject. And this one is just about face shapes, and the best thing about it is it actually says everything in the video down below. So if you're not a visual watcher, then you can definitely read and see the reference pictures and everything they put below. Other than that, you can go backwards, you can go forwards, but you have to watch the whole video or read the whole script in order for it to be marked as completed. As you can see, you can tell everything that's going to be coming up for me and everything I have to accomplish before the course is completed and I am certified. I just started taking the classes for the Master Makeup program, but so far I really like the way they teach. One of my favorite things about the school is that when you go to submit your assignments, the professional makeup artists actually send you a personalized one-on-one video on things that you could benefit on and things that you could probably do better on. And honestly, I'm surprised I didn't find this school sooner because there's no age requirement or education requirement to start. I mean, you can even be under 18 and just have your parents sign off and you can still do the schooling. So I think I'm only like 15% done with the entire course, but when I am done, I will become a certified makeup artist. And one of the really cool things is I can continue to go back for the rest of my life and catch up on things I might have forgotten about because the course has lifetime access. On top of everything, when you complete the course, you actually receive a pro card discount, so you can go and get makeup. I think it's like up to 40 or 60% off, so it's really amazing. And from taking the course so far, I feel like I've already learned how to shade match better and how to color correct my face. Can we take a minute for this highlighter? Already, I am so excited to continue learning about makeup and how to apply it and how to work on other people. I've always wanted to become a certified makeup artist so I can do other people's makeup and be confident about it. And right now, I am on track to do that because of Online Makeup Academy. Okay, to wrap everything up, I am so excited to continue on this journey with Online Makeup Academy, become a certified makeup artist. If you are interested at all in looking at Online Makeup Academy, I will put a link in the description, and also they gave me a code for $100 off if you decide to enroll. I will put the code in the description, all the information you need in the description. This is the final makeup look and hair kind of done. that wraps up my get ready with me, kind of updating you in my life, becoming a professional makeup artist. I'm so excited to continue to update you guys, and I will constantly post on my Instagram and TikTok if you want to check me out there too. Let me know if you like these kind of videos, and thank you guys so much for watching.